Hi, I'm Ame and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be cosplaying Bailu from Honkai Star Rail, and I thought I would walk you guys through my makeup process. I know it hasn't been that long since my last two makeup tutorials actually, and I'm surprised as well. How I do makeup and stuff has changed quite a bit since then, so I thought I'd do an updated makeup tutorial as per request. Ring light, why do you have to, come on, ring light mirror. I currently have my phone taped up to my mirror ring light again because I still am not professional, clearly. So one thing I'd like to mention before we start is just to keep in mind that everyone's face is different, everyone has different eyes, everyone has a different nose, everyone has different lips, so not every tutorial will work for you. And yeah, so you just kind of have to experiment. You have to keep practicing because you will not get it on this first try, I promise you. And if you do, wow, you got lucky this time. That motherfucker's cheating. Anyways, always remember to start with moisturizing your face. So to keep your skin nice and healthy and clean. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope this helps. Voiceover now because I can't speak to the camera.
So these are all the makeup and tools I'll be using today. Most of them I get from either Sephora or Douglas here in the Czech Republic because those are the only freaking makeup stores here. Other than that, the drugstore is a great place to get like makeup and stuff, especially when you're first learning and experimenting because you will be spending a lot trying to find the right stuff. This thingy will help make your face smooth basically and ready for makeup. Make sure to wait 2 or 3 minutes before and let it dry before putting anything else on. Next up is concealer. I highly recommend this one. I've been using it for a while and it moisturizes your skin and everything and it's good. So when you start blending the concealer with the little sponge I'll show in a second, make sure to get it wet and damp first. I actually found out that's how you do it recently, and blend it outwards. Next up, compact powder. This is basically just I like to say make your face a canvas. I'm not sure how else to explain it. Next, I use this light lip booster. Put it on ahead of time so it's not all moist before you start doing the lip stuff. Next up is contour. Contour is basically shadows and highlights of your face again. As you can see, I have my setup. So you can basically do that however you want, but typically I like to put it under my jaw, under my cheekbones, bones to highlight that and stuff. And if the cosplay I'm doing doesn't have bangs, I also shadow the top of my forehead. Next up, nose contour. I'm still kind of experimenting with this bit right now. I'm basically making an upside down eye or an exclamation mark with the white eyeliner and then kind of rubbing it in, yeah. And then I use eyeshadow actually because I prefer the color of that to the contour color to do the line thingies. Now another thing, remember everyone has a different nose, so nose contour will work differently for everyone, so you just kind of have to find a similar nose type to yours and follow that tutorial, or just experiment. Moving on to eyes. So eyeshadow is one of my favorite things to do. It's so fun, especially playing around with different characters. Like this one, these colors I'm mainly using for Bailu, but you basically follow the same premise with each eyeshadow, which is using a lighter, shinier color in the inner corners of your eyes, all the way out to darker shades, darker colors to the outwards of your eye. And I always like to use this red eyeshadow to put under my eyes. I think it just looks cute. Oh, fun. Eyeliner time. yeah, we all know eyeliner is freaking annoying. Let's get it done with. So align the first line with the corner of your, where your eyebrow ends pretty much. And then, as I'll explain in a second, the only difference I really make in eyeliner with my characters is more cuter, younger characters, I tend to point the line more upwards, while more mature characters, I point the line a little bit more straight, or like, not downwards, but like a little bit more outwards pretty much. So this next part can be a little bit tricky, but basically try and draw like a curved line over to where your eyelid ends. So it's I don't know, it's easier to watch than explain. And I did it much better on my left eye because my right eyelid is a little bit like lower than my left. So, and obviously everyone's eyes are also different. Not everyone's eyes are perfectly symmetrical. I don't think that even exists. So it will take some practice and time, but eventually you will get it. Yeah. And with eyeliner, make sure to take your time with it. Most of this I have on 4 times speed. I am very, very, very slow, but trust me, it is worth it. Finally, to finish my eyeliner, I'm adding my 3 little dots as little pretend lashes because I don't know how to draw on fake lashes. It never really worked for me, so here are my 3 little dots. And that is eyeliner done. Moving on to mascara. So now I'll be showing you guys how to make manga lashes. Basically just take some tweezers and mascara on them, and then just lightly, very lightly tweeze your bottom lashes together. You can do this on your top lashes as well, but I prefer just to do my bottoms. Next, false lashes. So I recently got these off of AliExpress. They're the famed manga lashes, and I know what you're saying, don't put AliExpress stuff on your eyes, and you are absolutely correct, but I bought these from a trusted brand with thousands of good reviews, so we're okay. Make sure to put them on straight and a little bit above your actual eyelash so they don't get glued on, like angled downwards or upwards weirdly or anything like that, and they look good. And finally, lip stuff time. So this is basically just like a normal lipstick pencil thing from the drugstore that I paint my indent on like the upper lip because I think it's cute, as well as do a little bit shading with it, and as my boyfriend likes to say, make myself look like Joker. I don't know, I think it looks cute again, so that's that. And for the final touch, the second shade of lip booster. There was a hair that I couldn't get rid of there. It doesn't really work as a lip booster, I found. It's better as a lip gloss, so I just use it as lip gloss to make my lips nice and shiny and glittery. So yeah! And now we are finito. So I shall pass you back on to me in cosplay next. And ta-da! We're done! Anyways, so welcome back. I hope this tutorial helped. I hope you learned a little bit. I hope I was of use. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Ciao, ciao!